Hello everyone, my name is Megan and I thought it was about time I introduced myself and tell you a little bit about myself. I have been doing this fluid acrylics since 2014. I had a stroke in 2005 and then again in 2013. After my stroke in 2005, I could not walk, swallow, close my eye. I had to learn how to do all that over again. So when I had my second stroke in 2013, I was very scared to be back in the wheelchair, back, at square one again. So my physical therapist mentioned art as a therapy. So I started looking into some sort of art as some sort of therapy for me. And that's when I discovered fluid acrylics. And so that's kind of what got me started in this type of art. Now remember, I had just had a stroke, so my left side was not working. So this is how I learned how to use my left side again. Tilting the paint back and forth, back and forth. And soon I was using my left side again. So that's how I started in doing this type of art. I've always been pretty artsy and crafty, but that's when it really kicked off and I really started full-time doing art. So you can find me on Etsy, Whimsy Creek Boutique. You can find me on Instagram. And now here on YouTube. And I have just hit 100 subscribers this morning. So that is very exciting. I never thought I would be doing a YouTube, let alone 100 subscribers. So I have a lot of plans for this channel. There'll be lots of tutorials, story times, and just quick fluid acrylic videos. So thank you for coming, and I hope you subscribe and stick around. All right, have a great day.